going to take this trim piece off. Just use a trim tool. Get behind here. There is a trim clip right there in the center, so try to pry near that. And there's a little clip at the bottom. This one looks like it's messed up a little bit. Disconnect the connector. There's a little push tab right here. Push down on that, slide it out. And take this little cover off right here. You can try to twist it off or use a pick, and then you can access the nut right there. Now you don't have to take the door panel off to get these nuts off. You can use an 8mm wrench. Just be careful, loosen this bottom one. Once it's loose, you can use your fingers. Just be careful not to drop it. And slide it out. You could also use a magnet. For the other two, I'll just use an 8mm socket. And once I get this one loose, I'm just going to grab the mirror, support the mirror from the outside. Just grab the mirror and slide it right out. Now we can take the new mirror. These are painted to match, so once you get it painted, you can slide this in position and lock it down. All right, take the mirror and just line it up. Make sure you have a nut in your hand, and you can get that started on the inside. All right, get the other nuts on. Be careful with this one. Get that one started. And I'll take my wrench and just snug this one up and tighten these ones, just snug. That's good. Put this cap back on. Reconnect the connector, line it up. And take this cover and we'll line it up. And lock it in place.